What's going on, everybody? David here. Today we're talking travel rewards credit cards. Today's credit card is the Frontier Mastercard. First off, if you're new to the channel, please hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to hit the little bell icon so you can get future updates on my videos. Okay, so I have two cards here, and I will talk about the one with the annual fee on this video. Then on another video, I'll talk about the no annual fee card. So this annual fee card, $69 annual fee. It's a World Mastercard, and it doesn't look like it's away for the first year, so just be aware of that. You have to pay it right up front. Usually it takes a couple months before they charge it to your card. The bonus here, 40,000 bonus miles. That's after spending $500 in purchases in 90 days. So the threshold there, $500, is not that bad. You get 40,000 bonus points, and that's good enough for 2 domestic round-trip tickets anywhere in the U.S. So that's pretty good. So you can get those 2 tickets. You earn 2 miles per dollar on flyfrontier.com, and then 1 mile per dollar on everything else. So the earn possibility here is not the greatest, and pretty much if you're going to use it for flyfrontier.com, then you'll get your 2 times points. But all other purchases, you really shouldn't be using this card because you're only going to get one for one, so 1 point per dollar spent. So you might want to consider using another card and get those 2 times points or 3 times points if you're at a restaurant or traveling and stuff like that. So the earn possibility on this card is really not that good. My suggestion in this situation would just be to get the card, get the 40,000 bonus miles, take those 2 round-trip tickets, and then consider keeping it for the year and then closing it out. But you're really not going to accrue a lot of points with this card, so it'll take you a while before you get to your next round-trip ticket. So that's just my opinion. Award redemption fee waiver. Now I'll have to check into that. I haven't looked down below, but I'll post a link in the description so you guys can check it out. But they do have the information down here. And let's see. Okay, so this is important here. So you have to make 1 purchase every 6 months in order to keep your miles from expiring. Now, for me, that's a deal breaker. I don't want to have to be in a situation where I have to use a card in order to keep my points. And this is a 6 months. This is a really short time frame. Usually it's a year or 2 years. Some cards, they never expire as long as you have your account open. So in this situation, you do have to use this card in order to keep your miles from expiring. I don't like that. So that's one of the things that I look for when I'm looking for travel rewards credit cards. Complimentary FICO score, that's great. So you get that. And the APR I usually don't go over because it fluctuates. It depends on your credit. Then you also get an anniversary. So you get a $100 Frontier flight discount, and that's anniversary, but you have to spend $2,500 or more on purchases. So those are some of the main benefits of this card. And my overall opinion, I look at cards like this, and this is specific just to Frontier, obviously, and you really need to fly Frontier a lot in order to reap some benefits with this card. I wouldn't personally get it, but it's one of those cards that if you do fly Frontier a lot, then maybe you should consider it. That 6-month expiration on miles is a deal breaker for me. So more importantly though, I'd like to know what you guys think. If you have this card, give me the pros and the cons. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe for more, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.